So one of the questions I was asked is how this experience has changed my life. So the most important difference that it made is that working for an airline, I have a lot of the benefits that come with an airline, mainly being traveling. So for the past few years, I've traveled to a bunch of different countries and a bunch of different places. I've been to Aruba, Mexico, Canada, Amsterdam, and a bunch of other places. So that's the primary difference that it made for me. I was able to go out and see the world, see a lot of different things. And I'm originally from Miami, Florida, and I currently work in beautiful San Francisco. In addition to that, I was able to take my mom on vacation for the first time, and she had an amazing time, and it was a very special thing for me to be able to do that. One of the most valuable lessons that I've learned from going to a technical college is that you don't necessarily need a college education to live a really good life. Your education is a tool, and if you know how to use the tool correctly, the sky's the limit. And lastly, for the up-and-coming students, I would say to continue to push on even though you think you're gonna lose. I've had a lot of instances in my life where I thought that there was no light at the end of the tunnel, but I still kept going, I still fought, and I still pushed on until the very end, and it always works out. Sometimes it may not work out the first time, but it's important to continue to push and push and push.